Imagine a quiet evening at home. Maybe you're cooking dinner or lighting a candle to unwind. Suddenly a spark catches the stove grease or that candle tips over and flames start climbing. You dash for your fire extinguisher, heart pounding, ready to save the day. But wait, is it even the right one? Everyone should have a fire extinguisher handy, but picking the wrong type could turn a small fix into a full-on disaster. Those A, B, C ratings you've seen, they're not random, they're your roadmap to safety, and they can feel like a secret code if you don't know the trick. Today, we're cracking it wide open. Why these ratings are a big deal, what each one means, and how to choose the perfect extinguisher for your home, office, or wherever life takes you. Stick with me, you'll get the full scoop, some wild real-world lessons, pro tips to make you a fire safety champ, and a nudge at the end to share this with your crew. Let's start with why knowing your extinguisher rating isn't just nice, it's everything. You wouldn't grab a garden hose for a grease fire, right? Wrong move, bigger blaze. Fire extinguishers are your first shot at stopping a fire before it swallows your space, but they're not one size fits all. NFPA says fires double in size every minute, 60 seconds, and the wrong extinguisher wastes that precious time. Picture this. A dad in Georgia last year grabbed a water extinguisher for an electrical fire from a shorted lamp. Sparks flew, the fire spread, and he lost half his living room. Ratings tell you what an extinguisher can handle, so you're not guessing when the heat's on. We're breaking it down simple and clear, because safety shouldn't be a gamble. First up, the classes. Think of them as your firefighting playbook. Class A is for the everyday stuff you toss in a campfire. Wood, paper, cloth. Got a pile of old magazines in the basement or a wooden deck out back? That's Class A territory. Ordinary combustibles that burn hot and fast. Class B steps in for flammable liquids. Think oil, grease, gasoline. Kitchen mishaps with frying pans, a spilled gas can in the garage, or even a paint thinner accident. These are Class B's wheelhouse. Then there's Class C, electrical fires, the sneaky ones. Faulty wiring, a buzzing outlet, that ancient toaster that's seen better days. Anything plugged in or powered up falls here. Water's a no-go on these. It conducts electricity and could zap you instead of the fire. Each class is a specialist. Know your risks and you'll know your class. But what if you've got a mix of dangers? That's where multi-purpose extinguishers shine. A Class ABC extinguisher is like the all-star player. Wood, liquids, electrical, it's got you covered. It's the go-to for most homes or small businesses where fires don't pick one flavor. Say you've got a cluttered garage with paint cans, an old extension cord, and a stack of cardboard. Class A, B, C handles it all. They're usually dry chemical, blasting a powder that smothers flames across the board. In 2023, a family in Oregon stopped a kitchen nightmare with an ABC. Grease flared up, hit a plug, and they knocked it out in seconds. No fuss, no second guessing. Think about your space. What's lurking? Cooking a lot, old wiring, paper piles? A combo like ABC is your safest bet, but match it to your life. Don't overbuy if you don't need it. Ratings are the core, but there's more to picking the right one. Size and weight can make or break your moment. A 2.5-pound extinguisher is light, easy to swing into action, perfect for quick grabs in tight spots like a kitchen. A 10-pounder packs more juice for bigger fires, but if you can't lift it fast, it's no good. Think about who's using it, from kids to grandparents. Placement's just as big. Stick one near the stove, another by the garage door, maybe one in the hallway. Don't bury it in a closet or behind junk. Fires don't wait for you to dig. And maintenance? It's not set it and forget it. Check it every year. Look for rust, dents, or a pressure gauge in the red. A dead extinguisher's a decoration, not a defender. A shop owner in Ohio learned that in 2024, his 5-year-old unit failed mid-fire, cost him $10,000 in damage. Keep it fresh, keep it ready. Now the basics you can trust, because owning it isn't enough, you've got to use it right. Pass is your lifeline. Pull the pin, Yank it hard, it's your green light. Aim low, hit the fire's base, not the dancing flames. Squeeze the handle, steady, don't jerk. Sweep side to side, cover it all till it's out. Practice this. Some fire departments run demos, and it's worth the trip. A guy in Texas froze up last year, forgot pass, and watched his shed burn. Practice sticks when panic hits. And here's the golden rule, call 911 every time. Extinguishers buy you minutes, not mastery. Pros handle the rest. A mum in Florida put out a curtain fire in 2022, but didn't call. Smoldering embers reignited overnight. Don't play hero, get help. We've unpacked the fire extinguisher rating system, classes A, B, C, the ABC combo, and the extras that seal the deal. It's not just about grabbing any can off the shelf, it's about knowing your risks and being ready when that spark flies. You've got the tools now, classes for specific fires, multi-purpose for versatility, and the smarts to size, place, and maintain it. This isn't gear, it's your safety net in a crisis. Share this with your friends, your family, your co-workers. One quick watch could turn them into fire safety pros too. Knowledge spreads faster than flames, and that's power. Want to dig deeper? Head to hsysstudy.in for free guides, extinguisher checklists, and safety tips to keep you sharp. Loved this? Smash subscribe and hit the bell. We're dropping fresh safety know-how every week. Let's keep the fires out and the safety locked in. See you next time.